BioEnergia is a health center located on the Plateau Mount Royal in Montreal, Quebec. BioEnergia offers non-invasive solutions to regain or maintain an optimum level of health.
BioEnergia was created to answer specific needs in the health field. Today, whatever we do, we are assailed by all sorts of external energies that tire the human being and tax its immune system.
BioEnergia is a proponent of bioenergetic medicine, itself based on the principles of Oriental medicine, which uses the qi, the vital energy that travels through the meridians, invisible energy channels, to convey an electromagnetic current to all the individual organs. During a first consultation in naturopathy at BioEnergia, acupuncture meridians will be read by an analyzer that will help determine the therapies to follow.
On peut obtenir une image globale de l'état de santé de la personne.
We can obtain a global picture of the person's health and also evaluate the progression of the therapy. For certain persons, it will take very little time because their system responds extremely rapidly. It's a matter of personal genetic information.
D'information génétique personnelle.
Often, a treatment will begin with an ionizing therapeutic foot bath.
Often, we realize that the body's intoxication prevents it from functioning properly. The foot bath allows the cell to detoxify and function better.
The current alternately sends positively and negatively charged ions that will alkalize and stimulate the blood and allow the body to expel toxins and heavy metals.
That's why the water changes color and turns brownish, depending on the toxins that the person is excreting. Then we put people in the therapeutic blanket to allow the system to regenerate. When you are bundled inside this blanket, the energy emitted by the body is recuperated by the body. The nervous system becomes free of external aggressions and puts itself in neutral, and the person begins a process of relaxation and regeneration.
Modern science recognizes that our organism's natural energy production can be stimulated by low-impedance magnetic field pulsations.
Chaque fréquence correspond.
Each frequency either corresponds to a certain pathology or allows us to stimulate the self-healing properties of a specific pathology.
Electromagnetic pulsating stimulation supports the organism's healing power and reinforces its defense mechanism. So while the natural energetic sources in your body are being activated, you can take advantage of this time to relax and regenerate.
We found out that we could also control inflammation with different frequencies and even stimulate cell growth and the immune system by using even lower frequencies.
The oxygenating aerobic exercise or qi machine softly adjusts the spinal cord because of its oscillation similar to the movement of a fish. This therapeutic effect relaxes the muscles and the nervous system. In terms of oxygenation, a 15-minute session is the equivalent of a 90-minute walk. During electro-neurological stimulation, specific zones of the body are treated with electric impulses that stimulate the skin's receptors.
The brain sends an electrical impulse to the nervous system, which then sends this impulse to each of the organs. By sending a specific frequency to the brain, it can start secreting neuropeptides that will anesthetize the person's pain.
Electroneurological stimulation possesses an analgesic power comparable to acupuncture, where acute or unrelenting pains can be controlled rapidly. To help with chronic cases, control neuropathic pain, and appease degenerative afflictions, BioEnergia counts on the science of the future inspired by the wisdom of our ancestors.
Cette rencontre de la médecine traditionnelle chinoise.
Traditional Chinese medicine and ultra-modern medicine, which is purely technological, have found that they have something in common. We are now proving scientifically what the Chinese have been teaching us for 3,000 years.
Depuis 3000 ans.
Be it for prevention or as a last resort, all these therapies have a common goal: to alleviate human suffering. Health is precious, and maintaining it is a daily challenge. BioEnergia is here to help you.